In the vast ocean of freelancing, there's a beacon of opportunity called Upwork. So today at OceanBlue IT Studio, we are going to talk about Upwork as a freelancing platform and how to create an account. It's a platform where skills meet demand, and today, we're diving into how you can join this thriving marketplace. Let's navigate through the steps to set sail on your Upwork journey. First things first, signing up is your gateway to a world of possibilities. Head over to Upwork's website and hit Sign Up. You'll be prompted to select between a freelancer or client account. With options to sign up using your work email, Apple, or Google account, convenience is at your fingertips. Once you've chosen your account type, it's time to add a personal touch. Fill in your name, secure your account with a strong password, and set your language preferences. Remember, agreeing to Upwork's terms and conditions is a must before you proceed. Your expertise is valuable, so setting your rates is a pivotal step. Decide on an hourly or project-based rate that reflects your skills and experience. Define your availability too, as this will help clients know when you're ready to tackle new projects. To stand out in the sea of freelancers, optimizing your profile is key. Infuse it with relevant keywords, craft a headline that captures your essence, and don't forget to ask for recommendations from past clients. These steps will not only enhance your visibility, but also cement your credibility. Cross the T's and dot the I's by completing your profile. Verify your contact details, pass the Upwork readiness test, and link your social media for that extra layer of presence. A complete profile is your badge of professionalism. Now, the adventure truly begins. Dive into the job feed, tailor your proposals, and respond with agility to client interactions. This proactive approach is the cornerstone of forging meaningful connections and securing projects that resonate with your skills. Before we part ways, a treasure chest of tips. Invest in a professional profile. Clarity is your best friend in communication, and always aim to exceed expectations. These pearls of wisdom will help you build lasting relationships and a reputation that precedes you. In the end, success on Upwork is a blend of skill, strategy, and persistence. Set your course, embrace the journey, and watch as your freelance career flourishes. Until next time, keep your sails adjusted to the winds of opportunity with OceanBlue IT Studio.